In today's video, I am going to teach you how to assign a variable to a role in Pandadoc. To begin, go to Pandadoc and open the Templates tab. This is where you manage the documents you reuse, like proposals, agreements, or onboarding packets. Find the template you want to work with and select it to open the template editor. Make sure you are editing the correct template because any role and variable changes you make here will affect future documents created from it. Next, look to the top right of the editor and click +Add Roles. Roles help Pandadoc understand who is involved in the document, like a client, a sender, or an approver. In the name field, type a clear role name that matches your workflow, such as client, then click Add. Keep role names simple and consistent. This makes it easier to choose the right variables later, especially if your organization uses several templates. Now that the role exists, move to the right sidebar and click the variables icon, which looks like curly braces with an X inside, or X. This panel contains the variables that Pandadoc can insert into your template. Variables are placeholders that automatically fill in with real data when you create a document and assign recipients to roles. Inside the Variables panel, find a role-specific variable for the role you just created. For example, you might see something like a first name variable tied to the client role. Click the copy icon next to that role-specific variable. Copying directly from the panel helps you avoid typos and ensures the variable format is correct. Finally, click into any text block in your template where you want that information to appear. Place your cursor in the exact spot in the sentence, then paste the variable. It will appear as a bracketed placeholder in the text. Later, when you generate a document from this template and assign someone to the client role, Pandadoc will replace that placeholder with the correct value. And that is all there is to it.